Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to explain about 7 easy steps to repot a nursery plant in correct way. Because this is the process where most of the people make mistake, and after the repotting process, their plant start decaying, or in most of the cases, their plant stop their flowering and fruiting very soon. So please understand these 7 steps very carefully by watching this video till the end. So friends, coming straight to the point, the first step is that when we bring any new plant from the nursery, then we should always select a healthy plant from the available plants. Because after bringing it home, we will repot the plant in new environment, and if the plant would be weak or unhealthy, then there may be chance that it will not survive after the repotting process. So in the first step, we should always bring a healthy plant from the nursery. The second step is that we should repot the new plant either early morning or late evening. I would recommend to repotting in the late evening because during repotting the plant's root would be exposed to open environment, and being exposed to direct sunlight the plant may affected by the transplant shock, and this may impact on further growth. So for preventing this, we should always select the time at the late evening, and this will help plant to settle in new soil within one day. The third step is that we should keep the soil and the container ready in advance before starting the repotting process. The soil should be well drained and also hold the moisture for a long time, and the pot should have proper size of drainage holes at the bottom side. And one more point, that we should not use any compost or fertilizer during repotting a newly bought nursery plant, as it almost comes with treated by many fertilizers. So we should use any fertilizer after 15 days of repotting process to stop damage in rooting system. Now after this, we should fill the soil in the container up to half of it as we are doing here, because this early process will help to minimize the root exposure time in open environment, and we can quickly repot the plant without any transplanting shock. So we should always do this process in advance. The fourth step is that we should take off the plant from the nursery polybags carefully, and before doing this we should always check the moisture level of old soil, and if it is dry then we should water it little bit to make it moist again. This process will help us to protect plant from the heat stress, and we can perform the next step easily. The fifth step is that after taking out the plant from the nursery polybag, now we will lose the bounded roots by taking out about half of the bottom area soil like this. Here we should always take care that the nursery plant come with the clay soil, so we should try to remove its maximum part by carefully without damaging the upper roots. And after making roots loosen, we should prune its downside roots by sharp pruning tools as we are doing here. Here the most important point is that we should not remove the soil completely and try to minimize it carefully. Because if we remove complete soil, then there may be chance that the plant will not survive easily in new soil. So after removing the clay soil and pruning of the downside roots, we will move for the next step. And the sixth step is that after the fifth step, we should quickly repot the plant in new container and cover it properly with new soil. Quick process will help us to minimize the root exposure time in open environment, and root will not damage and quickly settle in new soil. So we should finish this step quickly. And the seventh step is that after repotting the plant in new container soil, we should water it properly to make it moist. For this we can pour water frequently until it is not come out from the bottom holes like this. And after this we should keep the plant at shady area at least for 1 week, and then we can relocate it as per the plant requirement. So friends, these are 7 simple steps for repotting a nursery plant in correct way. and if we follow these steps, then it increases the chances that our plant will get proper growth. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.